Hey, are you searching for good quality treadmill? But it is very difficult for you to which one is best for this treadmill. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to the conclusion about which treadmill is the best for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Are you looking to boost the number of steps you take each day? Choose the Goplus model that has a footrest that can be installed underneath a standing desk so that you may move about as you work. This machine is not only small but also lightweight and easy to store, making it an excellent choice for people who live in apartments. Because it can only reach speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, this treadmill is not the greatest option for sprinting training because of its limited speed range. Number 2. Ksports Treadmill Bundle. Choose this Ksports bundle, which is now $91 cheaper if you are interested in working out your entire body. During longer runs, you can keep your upper body moving with the dumbbells and yoga mat that come with the treadmill. The yoga mat gives you the ability to use the treadmill surface as an abdominal station. The treadmill's base can be folded up out of the way when it's not being used to save valuable space, and a standard LCD screen displays important health information in addition to your heart rate. Number 3. Love Folding Treadmill with 12 HIIT modes. Another fantastic option that takes up very little space is shown here in case you are pressed for space. More than 500 consumers have rated and reviewed this treadmill on Amazon, and they almost unanimously give it a perfect score. This treadmill is surprisingly strong despite its small size. In addition to this, it features 12 distinct HIIT settings that can be pre-programmed to provide a challenging and effective workout. Additionally, it features a broad belt that is fitted with material that prevents slipping, making it appropriate for use when working with animals. This indicates that Fido may follow in your footsteps and chart his progress with you. Number 4. Runow Folding Treadmill for Home. This piece of workout equipment has a motor that is quite quiet, but it delivers a terrific punch and it can accommodate users who weigh up to 300 pounds. Reviewers often comment on how well built it is and how well the quality compares to the money that is being asked for it. If you cut out the coupon that is displayed on the website, you will immediately receive an extra $50 off, bringing your total savings to $170. This model is already discounted. However, if you cut out the coupon that is posted on the page, you will immediately receive this additional discount. Number 5. Redliro Foldable Treadmill. This folding treadmill is an excellent purchase for anyone who has a limited storage room in their home gym or who lives in a studio apartment with limited floor space. Because it can be folded up and stored out of the way when it is not in use, this treadmill is an excellent purchase for anyone who has limited space in their home gym. It provides you with 12 various training routines that are preset to help you work up a sweat, and it also features a digital display that keeps track of crucial statistics related to your workouts. It is a product that is highly recommended for both casual runners and serious walkers. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.